Hello, Professor. I am Zigong Li from EE210, and this is my final project presentation. So my design is a two-way traffic light with pedestrian crossing with a down counter system. So here is the truth table for my traffic light system. And then you can see we only have four states because we want it as possible as simple. So as we can see, there are only four states for the traffic lights, so we only use Q1, Q2, which is 2-bit design, so 00, 01, 10, and 11. So it's worth to note that when our Q1 and Q2 become 11, we should make it next day be 00 to reset the system. We use JK flip-flop for our design. So after we use canon map, then we can get the expression for J1, K1, and J2, K2. So this one is for the constant is changeable, which is can change from from 0 to 1. And then when the x is equal to 1, the system is operate normally. But when the Q1, Q2 is 1, 1, we want it the next day will be 0, 0. So we change the x to 0. So we have to do it by hand. So, and then next part is our down counter system. And then we use D flip flop for our down counter. The truth table is this one. So in order to make it down counter, so we should make it from 7 to 6 and then 6 to 5. And then after the 0, we can reset it to 7. So here's the truth table. Then let's test our project with multisim. You see, this is our project, and when I click run button, so the counter is counting, down counting. We can see the left sideway is red line, and then the pedestrian is green line. The upside way from the other side. So after 0, then we reset it to 7, and then we noted that the right side from green light to yellow light. And the pedestrian on the right side stay red light. After 0, then we can see the whole thing is changed. The left side become green light and the pedestrian become red light. So after 0, you can see the left side is yellow light and the pedestrian crossing light will stay red light. So it changed the whole thing again. So here's our design for the traffic light system with a down counter. So if we want to see the other one, which is can change the output, we can also run it. Basically, it's the same, but we need to do it by hand to change the input. When the left sideway is yellow light, which is the state table maintain that Q1, Q2 equal, both of them are equal to 1. So yellow, right side become yellow. Yeah, you see the left side become green. Then we see when the left side is turning to yellow, we should change the output, the input to 0 to reset the system so that they can the left side can become red again. So we can see when 3, So yeah, you see, there's some delay on our down counter, so never mind. So here's my project. Thank you.